We will start this video with weekly chart. On weekly chart you will get clear reason why prices are rising and making correction on intraday chart. These two are your trend line. An upper trend line has been already tested 2 times. On third attempt it had made this double bottom. We made video last time when it made this pin bar on weekly chart and predicted this bullish movement. Because of third retest of this trend line, we have seen bullish trend last week. This is your ultimate support near 1679, which we predicted in beginning of February when price was trading here. So this was entry of bulls. Now question is where their profit target and where they will exit. First we will discuss their exit plan. For bulls who take entry here, this is their first resistance, this dynamic trend line which has already tested 2 times, and after breakout of this trend line it will give them first signal technically for bullish trend. And as long as price is trading below this resistance 1960, it is bearish, because this zigzag correction can be downtrend after this bullish trend. This is trend reversal or just correction will confirm on breakout of this support and resistance. So bulls first target is this resistance and this dynamic trend line. Now where they will take profit. This is Fibonacci retracement, the green one for this wave and red one for this entire wave, and start from 1784 to 1829, which is first retracement target, and 1784 has been reached and bulls are started taking profit, which is clear from this weekly spinning top candle. So 38% retracement is first profit target for bulls, and their profit target zone is from 1784 to 1829. Breakout of this resistance also confirm seller has already exited. They will re-enter the market on test of this trend line and this horizontal resistance. So this weekly trend line is major reason for this bullish trend and coronavirus money printing. This is daily chart, and profit zone start from 38% retracement 1784 up to 1829, and Fibonacci retracement for this wave is this green retracement. Since 38% retracement has already reached, and we have seen these two red candle on daily chart. The next retracement are 1818 and 1851. We have drawn this yellow rectangle resistance zone at this retracement level, and which are precisely near support and resistance. And this Fibonacci retracement has precisely tested many times before. So these two are your support, and this upper yellow rectangle is your resistance. For intraday trader, you buy at support and sell at resistance. Before making new higher high, this trend line and this horizontal resistance, first again it has to break this yellow rectangle resistance zone. Now this is H1 time frame, the intraday time frame, because we have already discussed weekly time frame and daily time frame. Now you have clear understanding why price made this double bottom and why this intraday bullish trend started. After this double bottom, price found resistance near this previous high and made 38% retracement, and after this retracement on third attempt it broke this 1747 and 1765 horizontal resistance. After breakout is again tested 1765 resistance and made new high. By joining this low, when you draw this trend line, last week this intraday crash, price found support near this trend line. So these two are your horizontal support and this trend line is your dynamic support. There is a possibility it did not break this support and this trend line and it can make higher high and immediately test this upper resistance. So your resistance are 1851, 1818 and your Fibonacci projection are 1835 and 1804. So these two are your resistance and these two are your support, and this is your ultimate support is not going to break this week. Price will oscillate between these two support and resistance for some time and it would make a solid consolidation before it can break 1851. So this was multi-time frame analysis of gold.